So, hello everyone. We'd like to welcome all of you here.
Well, good job.
With Lippert Software Consulting, we've built something big. We've created an end-to-end mobile-first reward lending solution. And we want to enable banks to be able to provide credit for even new customers within 20 minutes. And most importantly, before going into detail, Tomasz from Lippert Software Consulting and myself, Ivan from Family Finance's co-founder and CEO there, would like to give you a sneak peek into how we forged a collaboration between a traditional fintech and also a fintech startup working on actually putting an end to lengthy lending. So let's get to it. We've actually been pulling together design-driven and research-based digital product development mindset and processes, and also comprehensive knowledge of compliance, regulatory issues, and most importantly, cutting-edge risk management solutions from Lippert. And also, we are particularly building on the strong client base of our partner banks and also the trustworthy brand name of our clients. And also, Lippert Software Consulting has been working for financial institutions in the past 15 years, providing easy to customize and integrate credit scoring and workflow engines. And on the other side, we as Family Finances have been creating and building design-driven mobile banking solutions for financial institutions and also for other fintechs. And we've been lately thinking a lot of how we might be able to actually eliminate all the pain and friction from loan application processes, and that's where actually our collaboration came into place.
Yes, and the first thing we investigated, so we can see that the pain is not only in the loan onboarding system and not only financial system, but we can also see that about 70% is the abandonment rate everywhere, in every industry, unless financial services. But in the field of financial services, it's still 10% more than at others. And we also investigated the causes of this difference and how we can gap it. The first main cause is that in financial services, the processes are complicated and bothersome to the consumer. So, and we could see from the previous slide that it's a challenging job to construct frictionless, fast and simple process. What we do for that, what we need for that first time, we made a fully, but nearly everyone today has made a fully digitalized electronic solution. And the second one, what we identified, that there is no end-to-end one platform solution for loan onboarding and loan providing. What does it mean? Today's and nowadays, it's a mode in financial services to be multi-channel. We don't believe in multi-channel based on our experience. What is the cause of it? Most of the time, the client begins the process via desktop. And then, because of security reasons, he has to switch to mobile. And as soon as he switches from desktop to mobile, we can lose more than 50% of our customers. So what we've made is a mobile first and only mobile solution for credit granting. And the third cause is that most of the cases there are a lot of manual factors, which is an obstacle of automating. And we lessened the manual type need from the customer point of view, and we also lessened the manual processes from the bank point of view. So this was our added value. And to go further, you can see that we had to provide the customers with an easy-to-consume solution, and here fintech family finances put a lot to the solution by their design and UX approach. And what are the crucial part of this solution? The first two comes from our professionalism. The third one comes from our partners' professionalism on their side, I mean UX approach and design. So first, in every digitalized process, we need a KYC solution. Our solution is modularized. Why? Because nearly every bank has at least one solution or one potential solution. And what we've made, we built in 3 of the available KYC solutions. First is the good old-fashioned selfie plus ID photo. Second, we have contact to the public registry. And third, there is an email also. And fourth, we are open to contact with any other KYC solutions, including SCA. The second crucial part is electronic signature. In case of electronic signature, the qualified electronic signatures were too expensive, so we went to another direction. All the others in Hungary were not secure enough, so we got the public registry. It's a government-provided e-signature which is free and available for 4 million people. Here in Austria, the similar solution which can be built in is the A-Trust, for example. And getting back to KYC, the most similar that we applied is the so-called Stutza. I mean, this is if I pronounced it well. And because of the modular building of the session, it can be joined to any of them.
So actually, we've also been putting a huge emphasis on being able to eliminate the whole traditional long-form approach by also automating lots of these processes and procedures, by being able to also integrate the aforementioned online identity proof and authentication processes, also being able to actually integrate to a public registry and pre-fill lots of these data that actually have to be filled by these customers, and also being able to have a credit contract fully automized and also online at the end of this end-to-end process with these factors. As you can see, there are, I would say, 2 types of main building blocks that we've been using. On the one hand, we've been using a credit scoring engine and also government technology integration. And on the other hand, we didn't really want to compromise on the user experience and also being able to build frictionless design for our end customers. And that whole work and collaboration resulted in a product where we can, from comparing actually the loan products through government level authentication, also having the credit scoring engine behind, and also helping the customers sign the contracts with a qualified e-signature by being able to integrate our solutions to a public registry as aforementioned, and also actually channeling the whole package to the bank's backend systems.
And what we've created is an end-to-end solution which is modularized, and the main parts of the module required both of our skills. The first 3 from here, mostly professional and risk management skills and regulatory compliance skills like e-signature, government identification, and compliance to GDPR and any other regulations. That's one part. That's enabled us to make a fast and simple process. The second one, and it's at least as crucial as that I mentioned, is what our partner added to the processes is user experience of easy to consume and easy to understand smooth process.
So yes, we've built an end-to-end mobile-first remote lending solution, and it's been a pleasure talking to you here, and we really look forward to your questions. Thank you.